Welcome dear students. Let us start with the new topic, Standard 7th, subject Mathematics, topic Algebraic expression and operations on them, Module 1. (3n plus 1, 3t, 2t plus 3y, 2 into L plus b are the examples of algebraic expressions. From the above algebraic expressions, n, t, y, L, b and x are the variables in these expressions. In the expressions 3x, 3 is the coefficient of the variable x. So 3 is the coefficient and x is the variable. In the expression minus 515t, minus 15 is the coefficient of the variable t. In the expression, an expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called as a term. An algebraic expression may have one term or maybe the sum of several terms. Now let us differentiate between the terms coefficient and variables. 11mn, from 11mn, 11 is the coefficient, m and n are the variables. So 11mn is called as a term. Minus 9x square y cube is called as a term, and from this term minus 9 is the coefficient, x and y are called as the variables. A is a term. If there is no number in front of any alphabet, then we always consider the number present is 1. So here the coefficient present is 1 and the variable is A itself. In the algebraic expression 4x square minus 2y plus 25xz, 4x square is the first term where 4 is the coefficient in it and x is the variable. Minus 2y is the second term with the coefficient 2 and the variable y. 25xz is the third term where 25 is the coefficient, x and z are the variables. In the second example, the algebraic expression 15 minus x has two terms. The first term 15 is a number, the second term is minus x. Here the coefficient of the variable x is minus 1. Like terms and unlike terms. Terms which have same variables with same powers are called like terms. Examples of like terms are 2x, 5x, minus 2 upon 3x. Here they have same variable, that is x, and the powers of the variables are also same. So this is an example of like terms. Second example of like terms is minus 5x square y, 6 upon 7x square y. Next is unlike terms. The terms which do not have same variables and same powers are called unlike terms. They are opposite of like terms. First example of unlike terms is 7xy, 9y square, minus 2xyz. Second example of unlike terms is 8mn, 8m square n square, 8m cube n. Next is the type of algebraic expressions. Expressions are named after the number of terms they have. Expressions with one term are called monomials. Those with two terms are called binomials. With three terms are called trinomials. And if they have more than three terms, they are called polynomials. Examples of binomial, monomial, trinomial and polynomial are: first example of monomial is 4x. Second is 6m. These two are the examples of monomial. Now let us find out, or let us see the examples of binomial. Examples of binomial are, first example, 2x minus 3y. Here there are two different terms, 2x and 3y. So these two terms are there. So this is an example of binomial. Second, 3mn minus 5m square n. This is also an example of binomial since there are only two terms. Next is trinomials. Trinomials example is a plus b plus c. There are three terms present over here. So this is an example of trinomial. Second example of trinomial is x square plus 5xy plus y. This is also an example of trinomial since there are three terms present over here. Next is polynomial. Examples of polynomial are, first example is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. Since there are more than 3 terms or 4 terms present, then they are polynomials. So this is also an example of polynomial. Second example of polynomial is 8mn plus 8m square n square plus 8m cube n cube plus 8. Let us see practice set 32. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. The expressions given are, first 7x, second 5y minus 7z, third 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11, fourth 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube, fifth 5m minus 3, sixth a, seventh 4, eighth 3y square minus 7y plus 5. So we have to classify which expression is monomial, which one is the binomial, which one is the trinomial, and the last one is the polynomial. So we have to classify the expression or segregate them into binomials, monomials, polynomials and trinomials. So first is monomial. First one 7x is a monomial. Sixth one a is a monomial. Seventh one 4 is also a monomial. So this many are monomials. Next is the binomial. Second one 5y minus 7z is example of binomial. Next is 5m minus 3. The fifth one is also a binomial. Now let us find out which one is the trinomial. 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11 is a trinomial, which is the third one, and the eighth one, that is 3y square minus 7y plus 15 is a trinomial. Next let us see which is the polynomial. 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. The fourth one is example of a polynomial. So we have classified the following algebraic expressions which were given into monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Addition of algebraic expressions. Let us study how to add two algebraic expressions. Practice set 33. First question is add. First one 9p plus 16q and 13p plus 2q. So two algebraic expressions are given and we have to add these two algebraic expressions. So the solution is 9p plus 16q we are going to put in one bracket, and 13p plus 2q we are going to put in second bracket and put the addition sign in between. Then next step is to open the brackets. So after opening the brackets, we will get 9p plus 16q plus 13p plus 2q. In the next step, we are going to bring like terms together. So here like terms are the terms which has same variable. So here p is the variable and q is the variable. So the coefficients which have p as a variable are 9 and 13. So we are going to add 9p plus 13p, and 16q plus 2q are also equal coefficient, are also like terms. So we are going to add these two like terms separately. So we will have 9p plus 13p plus 16q plus 2q. So 9p plus 13p is 22p plus 16q plus 2q is 18q. So the answer of 9p plus 16q and 13p plus 2q, when we add these two expressions, we get the answer as 22p plus 18q. Second sum, 2a plus 16b plus 8c and 16a plus 13c plus 18b. So in the next step, we are going to put brackets to both the terms and we are going to put addition sign in between these two expressions. So we will have 2a plus 6b plus 8c in one bracket plus 16a plus 13c plus 18b in second bracket. Next step is to open the brackets. So we will have 2a plus 6b plus 8c plus 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Now in the next step, we are going to bring like terms together. So we will have 2a plus 16a in one bracket plus 6b plus 18b in another bracket plus 8c plus 13c in the next bracket. So 2a plus 16a we will get 18a plus 6b plus 18b we will have 24b plus 8c plus 13c we will have 21c. So the addition of 2a plus 6b plus 8c and 16a plus 13c plus 18b is 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Third sum, 13x square minus 12y square and 6x square minus 8y square. So we have to add these two expressions. So we will have the next step as bracket open 13x square minus 12y square bracket closed plus again bracket open 6x square minus 8y square bracket closed. Now in the next step we are going to open both the brackets. So we will have 13x square minus 12y square plus 6x square minus 8y square. In the next step we are going to bring like terms together. So we will have 13x square plus 6x square in one bracket plus minus 12y square minus 8y square in the second bracket. In the next step, we are going to add these two like terms. So we will have 13x square plus 6x square is 19x square and minus 12y square minus 8y square is minus 20y square. So 19x square plus bracket minus 20y square. Now plus and minus is minus. So we will have 19x square minus 20y square after opening the brackets. So the addition of 13x square minus 12y square and 6x square minus 8y square is 19x square minus 20y square. Fourth sum, 17a square b square plus 16c and 28c minus 28a square b square. So we have to add these two expressions. So as we have seen, we are going to put brackets first before adding these two expressions. So we will have 17a square b square plus 16c in one bracket plus in the second bracket we will have 28c minus 28a square b square. Our next step is to open all the brackets. So we will have 17a square b square plus 16c plus 28c minus 28a square b square. In the next step, we are going to put like terms together in one bracket. So we will have 17a square b square minus 28a square b square plus 16c plus 28c. Once again, I am telling you what do you mean by like terms? Like terms are the terms which has equal variables. So here a square b square is equal for 17 and 28 and c is the variable which is common for both 16 and 28. Now 17a square b square minus 28a square b square is minus 11a square b square, and 16c plus 28c is 44c. So we will have the answer as minus 11a square b square plus 44c. So the answer of 17a square b square plus 16c plus 28c minus 28a square b square is minus 11a square b square plus 44c. Fifth question is 3y square minus 10y plus 16 and 2y minus 7. So we have to add these two expressions. Now we know the next step is to put both the expressions in two different brackets and put addition sign in between them. So we will have 3y square minus 10y plus 16 in one bracket plus 2y minus 7 in second bracket. Next step is to open both the brackets. So we will have 3y square minus 10y plus 16 plus 2y minus 7. Next step is to put like terms together in one bracket. So here like terms are minus 10y plus 2y. So 3y square is only a single term without any like term. So that term we are going to write as it is. So we will have 3y square plus in bracket minus 10y plus 2y bracket closed plus the remaining two numbers are written in the separate bracket. So we will have 16 minus 7. In the next step we are going to simplify the brackets. So we will have 3y square plus the answer of minus 10y plus 2y is minus 8y plus the answer of 16 minus 7 is 9. So we will have 3y square plus in bracket minus 8y plus 9. Now we have to open that bracket also. So plus and minus will become minus. So we will have 3y square minus 8y plus 9. So the solution of 3y square minus 10y plus 16 plus 2y minus 7 is 3y square minus 8y plus 9. Next is the sixth sum, minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 and 7y square plus 8. So we have to add these two expressions. So next step we are going to put both the terms, both the expressions in two different brackets and put addition sign in between them. So we will have minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 in one bracket plus 7y square plus 8 in second bracket. In the next step, we are going to open both the brackets. So we will have minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8. In the next step, we are going to put like terms together in one bracket. So here minus 3y square is similar with 7y square. So that we are going to put in one bracket. So we will have minus 3y square plus 7y square plus 10y is alone. So we are going to write it as it is plus minus 16 plus 8 we are going to put in another bracket. Now simplifying both the brackets. So we will have minus 3y square plus 7y square is 4y square plus 10y plus solution of minus 16 plus 8 is minus 8. In the next step we are going to open the bracket. So plus and minus will become minus. So then we will get 4y square plus 10y minus 8. So the solution of minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8 is 4y square plus 10y minus 8. I hope you all have liked the video and the video was helpful in your learning. Thank you.